What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. This weekend I'm up in northern Michigan trying to get my last few turns in on snow for the year, and today I'm headed over to Nubs Knob. It's about another hour north from where I am now. It took me about 3.5 to 4 hours to get to where I am right now. Another hour north to find some snow. A ski resort is still open, so I'll have chairlift access, which is great. And then I'm thinking tomorrow morning, weather permitting, I can do some touring here on some really kind of worn down spring conditions. There's a lot of dirt up there, but might be cool. There's some cool like sliver lines of snow. Might try to ski down those. Just kind of playing it by ear and rolling with the solo adventure. So let's see what happens. My slushy, icy pile for the day, and hopefully there's less crowds here than Boyne Mountain where I passed earlier. About to gear up, grab my ticket, and go hop on that chair. I guess I'm gonna ride my Sacanas to start because it's probably gonna be icy, and then if it gets slushy or if there's like a cool park or something, maybe I'll switch to my all plays. Well, 2 runs in, this is what's under me on the chairlift. So that was a pretty successful day of skiing on some chairlifts, because tomorrow I'm going to be hiking. Before lunch, just before lunch, the snow actually got really slushy and kind of like corn snow, which was actually a ton of fun, and those Sakana line Sakanas actually came alive. I mean, that ski was born for slushy conditions. That was a ton of fun. Didn't ski the entire day. It's like 1:30, so almost 5 hours, which isn't too bad. And I can't complain. I mean, skiing on this late in the year in Michigan is pretty sick, so let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Told you guys I wasn't going till tomorrow, but I got a break in the weather. It was like sleeting for 2 hours. Saw the sun pop out, had to come out, get a tour lap in. Snow is definitely not good, but this new setup literally doesn't even feel like I have skis on my feet, which is so dope, because the shifts on the big skis were not very fun to tour with. I feel like sledgehammers. Although I just ate dinner, so it's a little tough on the digestive track. Yeet. Transitioned. This one could get a little bit sketchy. There's a lot of like dirt sections in the middle, so I have to try to remember exactly where I was gonna go, but this will be my last one of the day. Sun's kind of going away and I'm hot and sweaty, so let's do it. So while on my hike, I actually forgot to mention that I found this Zippo lighter, and it actually still sparks, and it has Zeus on it, the god of lightning. So that's pretty hype. I was looking super hard. I was hoping to find like a GoPro or something while I was walking, because if you drop it in the wintertime, it's buried in the snow, you can't find it. It's gonna, you know, melt and you'll find it in the spring. So, new Zippo, that's hype. And then when I was leaving, a security car came over and he basically just said, "Hey, are you going hiking?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm actually just leaving right now from my hiking." And he was just asked how it was. He smiled and said, "Have a nice night." So that was cool. That guy was cool, and he didn't, you know, bother me in any way or do anything weird, because sometimes you get yelled at for stupid things. But definitely a sick time. That break in the weather was perfect. The sun is going down now. It's going to start raining again. It might be really like windy and snowy and gross tomorrow. So odds of me touring will be 50-50. At the worst case scenario, I can always go half an hour to the closest resort and ski there for a few hours tomorrow before heading back home on Sunday. Let me